A vended laundry is, I think, important is that you have options, that you let customers have the ability to give you their money the way that they want to deliver the money to you, whether that's accepting quarters, whether that's accepting credit cards at the machine, whether that's an app pay solution. I think flexibility and convenience is the most important thing. You don't want a customer to come in that wants to use your laundromat and is frustrated because of a payment system that you have selected versus letting them have choices. That technology continues to change and evolve. It gets a little bit more complicated when you're integrating with these new touchscreen computer PLC type controllers where you're adding different formulas to it, so that changing the price. So you got to make sure those payment systems are integrated and they're talking to each other, so that if you change this and it goes from $275 to $325, that you're actually collecting the correct amount on it and that it starts the machine properly. So those are some real challenges on those payment systems. As that continues to evolve and things change, they want to make sure that those two things are working together and that you've got a good distributor that understands how to integrate it, but also support from the manufacturer to make sure everything is working properly for you. But that's we continue to see is that flexibility in payment systems is critical. Absolutely. Again, is having the ability for, one, it's ease. So you're going to get a better word of mouth, better references, so more and more people will use it. But also in there, being able to build those cycles so that if you want a hot with an extra rinse, an extra spin, and you add money to each of those, your revenue per load goes up, which is also your profitability goes up. So those I think are really important versus just it's $1.50 a load and that's it, and there's no way to add to it. I think those days have kind of passed us a little bit. I think everyone's looking for the ability to have flexibility, but also how do you allow the customer to get more out of the machines, and then you get more money in return for that.